Go cop your 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video. Alright, so guys, today I'm going to be breaking down every step on how to do the washing style, because I've been getting a lot of questions. Yo, this, yo, that, yo, this, and I don't want you guys messing up your hair, making your hair fall out and stuff. So this video is dedicated to you getting the washing style right. I don't want y'all to be doing it wrong anymore. After you watch this video, you should know how to do the washing style, because I'm going to explain it to you step by step by step by step. With that being said, enough talking. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna be using one of my videos, one of my recent washing style videos, from 2 weeks ago. I'm using this because that's the best washing style that I got, because it's my best washing style, because my knowledge got better along the way. My old washing styles, it's kind of like I ain't really, have all the important stuff in there, because I wasn't really knowledgeable on how to properly wash your hair. But in this video is my most recent, my most updated washing style version. I'm gonna keep doing these washing styles as I get more educated on them in the future. But today's washing style is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna really watch the video and explain to you when and why and where everything that happens. And I'm gonna tell you guys why it happens. All right, so let's get straight into it. So this part right here, I'm gonna pause it real quick. I apologize if this video is long, but I really want you guys to get this. So you comb your hair out, because when you're wolfing, you want to get all the hair lifted up and stuff. It's much easier when you comb your hair out to really massage your scalp when you apply the shampoo and everything. That's why I comb my hair out. I comb it back sometimes just to see how long my wolf is, but you don't really need to comb it back. If you want to, you can though. So step one is to comb your hair out. As you guys can see, my scalp is very dry. So this is why you need to wash your hair and moisturize and everything. So after you finish combing your hair, all right, listen close, guys. First step is to wet your hair. Now, it definitely matters of what type of water you use. When I first wet my hair, when I'm doing my washing styles, I always wet my hair with warm water. I do that because I want to open up my pores, and when I open up my pores, all the product that was in there, the old product that was in there, my pores are open. I'm gonna wash that out with the shampoo. That's why I always start with like warm water. So you wet your hair with warm water, apply the shampoo. This is the first wash, guys. The first wash doesn't really, your hair doesn't really lather up. It doesn't lather up because of all the product that's in your hair. It's getting washed out. That's the first wash. Now you definitely have to do a second wash after this one. Notice how the second wash, your hair lathers up even better. So now, right, you want to use a detangling shower brush. You can get detangling shower brushes from Amazon. You go to your local beauty supply store. All that. Detangling shower brushes are not very expensive. You get the one to put in your fingers, or you get the brush one. You get that from Amazon. It's a Red by Kiss detangling shower brush. I'm gonna try to have that link in the description below for y'all. Okay, so you detangle your hair with the detangling shower brush.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Now you do this for about 7 minutes. Okay, you just brush your hair about with this for 7 minutes. It takes a long time, guys. The washing style takes about 5 hours to do. You know, the whole process.
Wingstop, where flavor gets its wings.
Although it's been
Alright, so guys, right here, I'm applying the shampoo to my brush because I want my brush to, because like sometimes when your brush is not wet enough or it doesn't have enough shampoo, your hair is not gonna lather up the way it's supposed to. So I do that so my hair could get that lather that I'm looking for. So I apply shampoo, then I wet my brush a little bit, then I always start with my crown. I start with my crown, then go all the way down to my hairline.
roasting. Like frost nipping at your nose.
Okay, start with your crown. And when you're doing this, when your hair is wet, it's at a very sensitive stage right there, okay? So I don't want you going super hard. This is a medium brush that I'm using. I use a medium brush when I'm wolfing. When I'm like 13 weeks wolfing, 12, 10, 11, 12 weeks wolfing, I use a harder brush. But a medium brush will do because I'm only wolfing 5 to 6 weeks. All right, so you want to tap. Don't go crazy. Just tap, 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 tap super lightly, and you'll actually see progress. And it's gonna tell you, it's gonna show you that you don't really need to be, you know, trying to pull your hair out. All right, just tap, tap, tap. Do your crown for about 3-4 minutes, and then move down to your, you know, the rest of your hair. Your crown is like the most important part right there.
Many times, many ways.
Also, guys, if you want really quick progress, washing styles, your hair is in a really stretchy stage right there. That's when you get the most progress, you know. It's easier to move your hair around when it's wet and in this stage right here. So now I vertical brush because that's when I get the most pull. I get the most pull out of vertical brushing. So that's why I like the vertical brush a lot.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Notice that I'm vertical brushing the side that I have the fork on. I have a fork on that side, so I always vertical brush that side so I can really get the maximum pull. Okay, so guys, you brush for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, 15 minutes max with the shampoo in your hair. Now this part right here is very, very important. This is the lay down process. This is the styling process, okay? So you want to keep wetting your hand to actually go over your head. And while you wet your hand and go over your head, your hair is gonna naturally lay down. The water plus the shampoo is gonna make it lay down. All right, so once it lays down, you wanna do this for about 3-4 minutes, or do it to the point where you see everything is super laid. So this is the best method to lay your hair down right here. This is very crucial to the washing style method. All right, this right here, just going over your head like that. And if it's not laying down enough, keep wetting your hands. Keep wetting your hands and keep doing it. Wet, do it. Wet, do it. It's the most important part, guys. You cannot miss this part. A lot of people say, oh, my hair's not laid, I lost progress. That's because you didn't do this part right here. Now, after you do this, right, you get a little small window to rag up and keep your hair as laid as you want it to be. Like, after laying your hair down with this method, you want to put your do-rag on as fast as possible so that you can keep it that way. It's gonna lock in that way. Okay, rag up as quickly as possible. Okay, now you just rag up. notice that I folded my do-rag up. I do that method because once you fold your do-rag up like that and you go behind, it really lays this side down, like the top, the edges, it really lays them down, and there's no air bubbles that's like missing any compression. So that method right there is a method that you must do if you really want your hair to be laid. So now let me tell you that process. After I put the do-rag on with the shampoo in my hair, right, I went to the shower and I took a whole shower. All right, I take a shower because when you take a shower, it gives you a better, it rinses out the shampoo better. Okay, you don't want any shampoo in your hair, so you take a 20-minute shower to make sure that shampoo is out of your hair. Wash it out thoroughly. Okay, so after you do that, you can either wash it out with cold water or you can wash it out with warm water. It don't really matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, but I would definitely recommend that you wash it out with cold water because it's just, you don't really need your pores open at that point unless you're gonna, you know, add conditioner right after. Okay, so just rinse it out with cold water and make sure that you rinse everything out super thoroughly. And after you do that, you wait about 3 hours or hour and a half, or however long it takes your hair to dry up. But in this video, I actually wanted to moisturize my hair while my pores were open. So what I did was I rinsed the shampoo out of my hair with warm water, so it kept my pores open, and I conditioned like 1 hour later, so my hair was still a little damp. My hair wasn't really fully dry, but if you want your hair to be fully dry, you have to wait 3 hours or more. You could even go to sleep. Okay, 3 hours or more. If you want to double compress to get maximum lay, you can. But in this video, I waited 1 hour because I really wanted my pores open and I wanted to moisturize. But it makes the job more like a little more difficult. So what I would recommend is just to keep the do-rag on and let your hair dry 3+ hours and come back. And with the do-rag on, I want you to do the hot towel method, just like my last video when I showed you guys this little hack on how to moisturize your hair. All right, so that's basically it, guys. Hopefully this video wasn't too long. All right, just try to do a video on how, like, the breaking down of the washing style. All right, let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if this video was helpful. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.